Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot, and that is, how do you create a contact us page in your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a contact us page in your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're going to have some customers that don't want to go through your website and they simply just want to get in touch with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up one of my websites in Weebly, and this is the home page. Now, if you want to add a contact page into your Weebly website, they make it pretty easy. There's a few different ways you can do this. The quickest and easiest way is you're going to click on this blue plus icon here on the top left, and then you're going to click on page. Another way you can do this is you can click on this drop-down menu. Once you do that, you're going to see all the pages you have in Weebly, and you can click this blue add page button. Okay, either way you do it, it's going to give you this menu, add a page. Now, the cool thing about Weebly is they have a lot of different templates. So usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here and click on contact us. Once you do that, you want to click on the add button. Okay, quick second later, it adds the page in. You can see it's been added to the menu at the top, and it also has the contact us form right here. So you can go ahead and just click in here and change the words. Now, if you want to change around the form, you can click on the form. And then here on the left side, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you get to settings. Now for form confirmation, you can open this up and you can change the words here. So after somebody submits the contact us form, it's going to say, thank you for your submission, or you can go ahead and just start typing, I like cats. So now anytime somebody submits the form, it's just going to say, I like cats. And then you can change this right here, form settings. Okay. So once you do that, it's going to show you this. So this is the email that the completed form is going to be sent to. And then you can change the form name. So the form name, I usually change this depending on what the website is. So if this website is about, let's say, architecture, I'm going to say contact us form architecture. That way, when this form, all the data that the person submitted goes to my inbox, I know exactly which website the contact form is coming from. And lastly, if you scroll to the top, you can go ahead and add more questions. So this is a really basic contact us form on this contact us page, full name, email, message. But if you need to gather more data from your users, you can click here, add a question, and then you can add whatever data you want to collect from your customers here. So let's say we want to gather their address. We'll click here, and you can see it's added directly into the contact us page form. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a contact us page in your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.